Hey everyone, this is Jesse with Idaho Homesteading. Wanted to do another video on some home improvements, and I found a really good technique to actually do caulking really quickly compared to what I've been doing forever. And it involves, your regular caulking, your gun, this $3 Homex tool, which is basically rubber and it's angled and it's kind of, you can just buy it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap, but you can see how it looks. And then I was using this this cardboard roll, which is from a paper towel roll. So basically the technique is you put all the caulking along what you're trying to do. In this case, I'm doing molding. And then you follow behind with the tool, and every 6 inches or so, depending on how much caulking is on the tool, you just scrape it off on this tube. So let me go ahead and demo that for you. And in the past, I've typically done paper towels, which gets super messy. You can see in this bucket, you wear gloves, you wear a paper towel, or you have paper towels, and you're wiping off all this excess material on the paper towels, which just is the worst. So let's go ahead and do this, and we'll get a little closer. So you have your little bit of caulking on there, you can see it. And I'll just go behind with this tube, scrape it in there as best I can. And then I'll proceed on to the next spot. And do it again. And the tool itself is pretty good. It's a lot better than using your finger or anything else, and it's only $3. So you get a nice uniform bead of caulking there. And if there's anything that goes above the line, I'll just kind of clean it up with it. And there you have it. Much better option. I'm assuming this just keeps going down further and further down the tube, and you might have to replace it eventually, but quite the great combination. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this is a good tip for you.